Okay guys, this is the second video for the first drawing demo for the inlaid linoleum design. I've got it all laid out in construction lines. Remember 6H, nice and light. We're now going to be using our 2H pencil for the first time. We're going to be going over this and making it visible lines. A visible line is essentially, let's say I was drawing this triangle. My visible lines would be the lines that create the actual object. Okay, so in this case it would be all the line work that we've created in the shapes. These are all going to be our visible lines. A visible line should be crisp and black, but it should not be as heavy as a border line. So this should be a pretty short video. All your hard work is done from the first video. You've done all the construction lines, all the measurements. So now all I need to do is trace this thing. To trace it, I'm going to do the same thing. So with these three lines lined up, I'm going to take my straight edge and do all three at the same time. Work my way down, 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 then come in and do my verticals the same way. Make sure you take your time and you don't go past your intersections. That's why we got the little crosses there. Once I'm done heavying this thing in, just a matter of cleaning it up, and then we'll letter it with the next video. So here we go. Okay, once again, twisting the pencil as we work to try and keep these lines crisp and consistent. This is going to be pretty much the same thing throughout the video, so if you want to skip ahead and see what the final looks like, go ahead. If you forget what this drawing looks like, take a look at the drawing from either the Canvas worksheet, the first drawing, or the book. Make sure yours looks like this in the long run. All right, done with the horizontals, now onto the verticals. Exact same thing, just going vertical. As a right-hander, I personally work from left to right. Once again, if they line up, do them all at the same time, make it more accurate and save yourself time. Last one. And then double check your drawing, make sure it is the same as the image that we gave you. If you've got any stray marks, just take your eraser, clean them up. If you have an area that maybe isn't fully touching, come back in and just clean that up just to make the intersection the best you can. And if I have something sticking past, I got a little mark here. It's not very much, but I can take my eraser shield, cover up the part I want to keep, and then all I got to do is do a little bit of erasing on that little tail, and I'm good to go. The little stray marks that I have from my construction lines pretty much disappear because of the way we heavy in the rest of the line work. If it bothers you though, you can always take your eraser shield and clean those up. But that is the first drawing. We're good to go. Our next thing will be to letter this, but we'll be taking care of that in the next video. So good luck.